if you need to find the serial number of your Windows PC, be it for repair or warranty services, be it out of sheer curiosity, or pretty much for any other reason, well, here's exactly how to do it. By far the easiest way is to bring up the command prompt in Windows itself, which can be done by just searching for it in the search bar. And this command does not require admin permissions, so you don't need to run it as admin. Once it's open, you want to type in this command, wmic BIOS get, and then serial number being one word, after which it will return your PC serial number. But wait a second, why does it say default string when I do it right now? Well, that is because if you've built your PC yourself, or if it's heavily modified, it will not have a serial number, as that is set by whoever it is that actually made your PC. Think of people like Dell or HP, for example. So while you can set a serial number for your own PC at home, it really does not matter unless you really want to have one. But okay, let's get back to those pre-built PCs we just talked about. They usually also come with a sticker somewhere on them that also will show you the serial number. So look around the outside of the case to find a sticker from the manufacturer that will state the serial number, which is usually just shortened to SN. And that sticker can be in a different position on the outside of the case depending on who made your PC and what specific model it is. Alternatively, you can also find the serial number in your PC's BIOS, which can be usually accessed by pressing F2, F11, F12, or delete while your PC is booting up. So now you have your PC's serial number that you're able to share with the company to prove authenticity, prove ownership, and also to request any kind of repair, replacement, or other warranty services. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to find a serial number on a Windows PC. Like I said, it only really applies to pre-builds, so if you get that default string message, well, it just means that your PC does not have a serial number. If you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.